Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College Noshara Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn about a data processing system. So about data processing system, we are already aware that we studied about the stages of data processing cycle, in which large amount of raw data are processed into the meaningful information. So dear students, human beings have to create machines to perform these tasks, from the abacus to the supercomputers. So several machines have been created to process data faster and more accurately. So dear students, data processing system involves all the stages of data processing cycle: data input stage, processing, and output stage. So dear students, a data processing system is the most efficient and most fastest than the manual system. So dear students, in data processing system, our data is processed in accurate and meaningful form. So dear students, data processing system is one of the systems in which data is processed into the meaningful information. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, डेटा प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम क्या होता है? डेटा प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम एक कंप्यूटराइज सिस्टम होता है जिसमें डेटा प्रोसेसिंग साइकिल के सारे जो स्टेजेस होते हैं वो प्रोसेस होते हैं. फॉर सपोज, अगर हम कंप्यूटर को कोई इनपुट दे देते हैं तो इनपुट के बाद कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में प्रोसेसिंग होती है. प्रोसेसिंग का मतलब ये होता है कि जो हमारा इनपुट होता है उसको कन्वर्ट किया जाता है मीनिंगफुल इंफॉर्मेशन में. तो इस सारे प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं कि डेटा प्रोसेसिंग सिस्टम. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, today's lecture is winded up here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Your homework based on today's topic is to differentiate a computerized system is a data processing system and a manual system. So dear students, your homework based on today's lecture is to differentiate between data processing system and a manual system. So dear students, today's lecture is winded up here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7.